Hi family, welcome back to Cash and Naturals. If you've been searching for the cutest short and medium curly hairstyles that are stylish, easy to do, and super low maintenance, this video is just for you. Today, I'm sharing 10 plus curly hairstyles that will make your natural curls shine. Whether you're rocking a fresh short cut or medium length curls, you'll find looks that are quick, protective, and perfect for everyday or special occasions. And stay tuned until the very end. All right, let's dive into hairstyle number 1.
sells me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them on devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they sell me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
Drumming on the beat.